Okay, so I've filled the fuel tank up now, completely. See, yep. And I found a bit of a cheating way to turn this thing over. Probably no good for my deck, but so there's still no fuel pumping out of this thing. If I opened it up, oh, hang on, terrible camera work. If I unscrew this again, this is full of diesel down in here, where like a little bit of Lego looking part of the pump is, and that's all full. And there was a tiny bit of like what it looks like a tiny bit of fuel just sat there, but it's like it's not pumping anything. I can't think of anything else other than there's something wrong with that pump.